Alrighty, that was a cold start of our 2010 Ford Mustang GT. Get to hear a little bit of that American V8. I'll show you around the interior a little bit. As you can see, the temperature gauge cold, and will be warming up as the car idles. No warning lights. The parking brake on, so I just undid that just to show you no lights of any kind. Put that back up because we're in neutral. 25,650 miles as it sits right now. Show you a little bit around the interior from some of the stuff that may not have presented itself as functional in the photos, but as you can see here, we have Garmin navigation in the head unit. We have some of the climate settings and heated seats. Above here, super cool little Mustang thing, but we have our overhead lights that work perfectly well. Just a little bit more of the interior of those rear louvers, which are super cool and having a nice dramatic light as the afternoon sun sets through it. Very cool. The Mustang logo, also very cool. And then you can see the trim on the dashboard, how that changes as you move around, how the light hits it. Overall, just a pure example of America's sports car. Still throwing naturally aspirated V8s, while so many other manufacturers are experimenting with hybridization, electrification, and Ford knows that their Mustang drivers just want that, and they want to hear that V8 that we started up just a couple minutes ago. So show you, temperature gauge is still going to be working its way up, but we are all done driving the car for the time being. Photos are live, all the information for this 2010 Mustang, and as you can see out the front, that big V8 is hiding underneath that sunset gold metallic front hood. But we will be happy to address anything else that you need to know about this car, but we are very excited to be able to offer it, and we wish you the best of luck in the auction. Thanks for watching.